Hello guys, now that we connected backend to database, let's start it. CD into it, project backend, and let's start it. So it's all good, it's running, database connected, server is running on port so. Now we're going to build, let's close it. Now we're going to build the table, users table, so we can connect users to the backend and use front-end to build a panel for the admins and users. So that's my thinking right now. And so this way we can make sure that our front-end, back-end, and database working together and all tight and nicely tied to each other. So, okay, so let's go to SQL, new page. Let's use our newly created WebGL probe database. That's what we're using now. Now, it's a table for users. So we're going to create it. So we'll write down create table users. That's a function which create table users. I'm going to do this here. Okay, so what our primary key will be, it's of course it will be ID. ID will be auto-incremented, so it goes from low numbers to high numbers, and they are unique. So ID back integer unsigned because we don't want it to be negative numbers. Auto increment because it will make them auto increment and this way they will stay unique. This ID numbers. Primary number, primary key. It's going to be key, and so comma. So as I said, it's auto incremented, so it will be unique. And besides primary key, they are unique. And so auto increment and primary key. And so unique key would be here unnecessary and redundant. Okay, so we will have role of the user. And we're going to, it's not going to be just string, it will be enum. So we can give the roles to user. Um, that will be root. That would be me. Admin. So the person who watching over users can create, delete users, and so on. Moderator. Uh-oh. I spell it right? Moderator. Yep. And simple user. Oh, that role should be always been there. So we write not new. And default would be user. Default role would be user. So it's automatically assigned into it if we don't explicitly say what the user's role is. I'm going to do comma. We're going to do status of the user. Also in none, so it's not really created. We can adjust later on if we have some more roles or statuses for users, but right now I'm seeing this roles and statuses, so it can be active, can be suspended, and can be banned for bad behavior. Banned. We're going to have suspended until timestamp. Uh, no, if it's not written, then we're going to have first name going to be virtual string. I so used to JavaScript that I want to use string in database. Oh, not right. Virtual. Let's say normally in databases they count how many characters the word can have, like it's statistics. It's actually interesting what they advise on the internet for the first name. Let me look it up very quick. I suppose here I will have 100 characters. That's my bet. For the first name, that's plenty enough. And for the second name, that's plenty enough. I don't think any names exceed 100 characters. But let me see what they say on the internet. Okay, in the internet they say it's better to have 50, 64 characters. It's generally made so the database will be more precise, takes less uh, space on the disks, it's easy on the space, but so 50, 56 the advice. We'll leave it 100 for right now. Well, we can't say it right. We need to decide right now. Later, especially if you going from 100 characters to 56, it's not possible because you're assuming that if you have 100 characters for the name, you're assuming that you have some names which get close to the 100 characters names. So you're assuming if you go from 100, you change it to 56, you're assuming that you're losing some data on the database. But nowadays space is not so much tangible. Let's take something middle ground. Let's take 70. Last name, also varchar, and also 70 characters. Now, email. Email. How much space do we need to have for email? Email. It's normally statistics. So, and they have uh, data for it. So, but it's we don't need to count our statistics, especially we don't have statistics. Our statistics. So I will go. They advise 254 characters. 254 characters. Let's go for lecture. 255. And that will be our. It cannot be not null. It cannot be null. It must be. So that can be null, and that cannot be null. And it must be unique because it will be how we call it. It will be used for sign in, sign up, login, logout, not logout, but login. So not null, unique. So two people can have same email. We're going to have form. Also lecture. And for the form, I don't want to count right now. We ask the internet. 2025. 2025. 2025, or 32. There's some advice for 32. Okay, it's normally like this. So we're going for example America. 1, 2, 3. That's one. Yes, and then it can be having this thing. Can be having this one and that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What? But there's extensions can be. I'll go for the biggest advice right now. We're going to take 32. Well, 32. It's going to be unique. Big is better for human kind of decision, but less is better for computer purpose, for saving space. Okay. Don't overthink it. Overthinking, that's my nature. I always like to overthink it. And when I'm catching myself, I like, take it easy. Take it easy. Okay. Which are unique. We're going to have uh, password hash. Why? Because it's going to be hashed. It's going to be uh, encrypted. Not encrypted. Well, it's going to be hashed. Okay, let's say it like this. Varchar. How many? Again, the same question. It's following me. For password. Remember, I'm front ender. I did couple of years full stack, so 64 to 255 characters. 64 to 255 characters. Let's take it 255 characters. I was front ender. I did a couple of years as full stack, 3 years to be precise. 2.5, 2.5. So don't be don't overcount it. And I programmed it, and it was a long time ago. So sorry for it. Sorry for my thinking here. And it's going to be not null, of course. Not null. So what else? Email, phone, password. Email, phone, password. Not null. Password, not null. Yes. Yes. not no unique. Okay, now we're going to have, I'm not going to rethink it. I'm just going to add as a social connections. I'm going to add just two things. Telegram is going to be varchar. Oh, for Telegram and WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I know WhatsApp. Where's the choice? No. How many characters? Lengths. Sorry, I need to probably set it on pause. Do, 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 do. Okay, somebody says it's 50 characters, somebody says it's 35 characters, somebody says it's 70 characters. Okay, there is no general agreement here. Let's go for 100. Telegram. Uh-oh. WhatsApp. Also varchar. 100. We need to know when the user was created. Created at created. We're going to. It's going to be timestamp. Timestamp. It's not going to be null. It's not going to be null. It's going to be default current stamp. Current timestamp. When it means when default default timestamp will be when the person will be connected to the database. As soon as record is created, this timestamp will be here to be meant created. I don't know, do I say it right? Okay, created it, updated it. We need to know when it was last time updated. Also timestamp. Also not null. Not null. Initially it will be the same timestamp on creation and updated. Creation updated. And when it will be updated, then it will be changed. If you know what I mean. Default current stamp, current timestamp, and on update on update like that. Current stamp, current timestamp. Also I'm thinking about is active, which means the user is active for the past months, but we have already status active, suspended, banned. So that would be it here. So don't need active. Going to remove timestamp. And now we're going to, so we have ID, we have the role, we have the status, uh, time, the date. It will be suspended till first name, last name, email, phone, password, hash, Telegram, WhatsApp, created that, updated that. We don't need. Do we need? It will be deleted. Deleted. No, we're not going to delete it. We have just status either active, not active, suspended or banned. If it's deleted, we not really delete from the database. We just make active. Um, Let me think about it. So yes, we need, because let me reason through it very quick. When we have is active, what was it? Okay, when we have is active, which is this one right now, it can be true or can be false. So, but we cannot have here active, true, or false. It's just state. It's num. We can either active, suspended, or banned, or deleted. But deleted doesn't mean from that we deleted from the database. It will be state of the user deleted. But listen here, every database, when you say, "Oh, we're going to delete you," I mean, when you ask him to be deleted from the website or everything, I don't know how each site dealing with this, but normally they do status deleted, but everything like first name, last name, it stays in the database. So yeah, so it's a soft delete. It's not like delete like it's always stays, the data stays in the database, because what if you return, and then as soon as you return, we have your first name, last name, and blah blah blah. Okay, so seems like that's it. And if something else comes up, we can update. We can update table, but right now we don't have it. Update, yeah, but right now we don't have it, so we create it. Create table. So seems like it. Hopefully it won't make any mistakes. Wish me luck. Okay, so seems like it is. Active, suspend, banned, deleted. Root, admin, moderator, user. Not, no, default user. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we created it, so good. Tables. Let's comment it out for a second and show tables. Oi, I need to do this. So we do have this table, and it doesn't have any data yet. We don't have any data yet. Copy row. So we have it. So why? Create table, search table, refresh row. Yeah, that's our users. We have that's columns: ID, role, status, suspended, first name, last name, email, phone, password, hash, Telegram, WhatsApp, created at, updated at. Okay. So what we're going to do next? So next step. We're going to create folder which calls users. So index on the top, and goes folders. That's going to be users. Okay, yes, backend. It's the backend. In this here we're going to have user types.ts user repository .ts user mapper .ts. Good. So now we're going to use type. Oh, I meant types. .ts. It's going to be mirroring our database. I mean our table users. Export enum. That's going to be our roles. User role. That's start clicking in, trying to advise me. It proposes admin, but I'm not going to start. Well, let me do it my way. Root. Yes, now you're proposing it my way. Admin. User. Yes, there will be user. But first of all, it will be moderator. Moderator. Yep. Okay. So root admin moderator user. That's what we have here. Root admin moderator user in right order. Export. Status. Yeah. It's proposing right. I'm so surprised always this by this active, inactive. No. Band pending, it's right. Pending, interesting pending. Yeah, it's one more state which we can use. Oh, okay. Can you tell me again? Yes. Now can I? Can I have it, please? Oh my gosh. Okay. Active. We have active. We don't have an active, but I will follow yet. Why you do pending? Propose me pending. Yes, please. Accept. Okay, so we don't have inactive. Don't need that. We have suspended. We have suspended. Can you guess? No, not yet. Suspended? Yes. Okay. Suspended. We have active, suspended, banned. There will be pending. Oh, okay. I need to update the state. Okay, let's leave it like this for simplicity right now. For the simplicity right now. The pending, let's do this. Enter it. And we have deleted. Deleted. I didn't think about pending, but that's the state of user, which is kind of uh, legal. I mean, legitimate state. Okay, so active, suspended, banned, deleted. All right. Let's go further. Export. Export. Export, I mean. Interface user. Accept. Okay, now it gives me a whole statement. I accept it. Not yet. ID. uh, role, move it up. That's role, that's user role. So it's right, user role. Then we have role. So we have ID, which is number, which is big int. It's in JavaScript. It's a number, or TypeScript. It's a number. We have role, which is user role. We have status, role status. It's here. Let's move it up for the easiness of this here. We'll divide it. So we have status, which is user status. It's all types. We have enum type, user status. So it's user status. Then we have suspended until. I don't have it here, so it's missed it. Suspended until data null. Yes, it's right. That's what I would expect. It can be null, and it is timestamp, which is date. Okay, so first name. No, it's not username. First name. First name. It's a string. Last name. Okay, I'll take it. Last name, which is string or null, or null. Except, and same here, null, except. Okay, so first name, last name, they can be null. Email, yes, we have email here. It's a string, can be null. So it's only string, please not null. So it was email, not null. Phone, voucher. So phone, it's missed it. So phone, phone, just simple phone. Okay, okay. String null, except not phone number, just phone. Please. Password hash. Password hash is here. Password hash is string, can be null. So it's a string. Telegram, because it's missed it, because it doesn't know. Telegram. 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 Is proposed strong. Yes. No. What do you propose? Avatar. What is that? Okay, okay, okay. String instead of number. String. Yes, please string. And not I don't need to complicate it. Telegram. WhatsApp. Same stuff. Except. Oh no 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 no. We'll keep it simple. We'll keep it simple, guys. Here. Created that. So we have Telegram, WhatsApp. It's varchar, so it's a string. Created that. Updated that. Yes, we do have it. Okay. It's a date. Can be null, so we don't post-it note here, so it's all good. Так, avatar URL bio. There I see bio, very interesting one. Date of, oh, I missed date of birth. Can you imagine it? Okay, we accept it. And avatar URL, that's important. I will need to adjust it later on. So how we comment it out. So we need to add pending, avatar, bio, and date of birth. Maybe some notes, maybe notes, notes, notes. Yes, full it on, and maybe some. I see we have bio, and it's kind of about me section. Let's better about me. About me. It will not propose to me. Okay, okay. About me. Okay, that's for sections I need to update for this table. Okay. I think before we move on, maybe I will update it first, table, before we move on. I think so. I think it's I think it's a great idea. That's what I meant to say. Let's update the table. Okay, so I prefer to keep it in this. Oh, what? I want. Why? Okay, that's unexpected. Okay, so let's go here, lower. So that will not run anyway, so it's commented out. We're going to alter table. Which table? Users. Users. What we're going to do? Add column. Oh, just let me check column. Yes, column. What we're going to do? We're going to add avatar URL. Avatar URL. What is going to be? What is going to be? How many numbers do we need for? How many characters do we need for URLs? For URLs, let's ask it. Oh, 2048 characters. For storing URL in database, a field length of 2048 characters is the widely accepted and safe standard. Okay, 2048 characters. 2048 characters. Varchar 2048 characters. Uy, missed it. Missed it! Ah! I still didn't get my headphones. I mean, my mic. Where's my mic? Where is my mic? Let me check very quick. Is my microphone coming or what? Oh, come on. Where? Ah. Yes, it came. I need to go to get it tomorrow. It's ready for receiving. Okay. I'll go tomorrow take it. Today it will sit for for today. I'll get it tomorrow. Okay, varchar 2048 characters. Um, we're going to insert it after WhatsApp. So um, add column avatar URL varchar 2048 null after WhatsApp. Will it show it to me? No, no, I don't want WhatsApp. No. Doesn't want to show to me. Although it's already has WhatsApp. Interesting. Okay, it just shows commands. Okay, come on. What do you expect? Okay, add column. What next about me? Add column. About me. Oh. Me. It's going to be text. So it's not varchar, so it's not it's kind of not oh my goodness, on the database it won't be restricted. It won't be restricted too much. Text. No. After. Oh, after. After what? After avatar URL. After avatar. After avatar URL. So generally now we setting after this one. After avatar URL. Now what? Date of birth. Okay. Let's column. Date of birth. That's date. That's name. After. After. Why it's sometimes disappearing? Like right now. Opa, disappeared. And if I do, I think it was date. Date. It stays. Ah, because you have choice. Okay. Well, I have a question. So I'm sorry. Date. No. After. When we don't have choices, it disappears. Okay. After about me. After about me. Yes, about me. After it we stating it after. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking about after about me, comma, add one more column, add column. What column do we add? Notes, notes, not note, notes. So it's going to be text because it's a string, so it's going to be text. It's going to be null. It's going to be going after what? After date of birth. The date of birth. Date of birth. Birth about me after avatar. Yep, that's it. That would be it. And now we need to modify user status. Let's do that first. Let's do that. Let's do all together, just for the sake of it. Alter, alter, uh-oh, alter, alter table. Again, users. What we're going to do? We're going to modify. What we're going to modify? What we're going to modify? We're going to modify this one. Yeah, we're going to modify status. Uh-oh. Status, which is a none. We're going to do next. We're going to have actually I probably want to move pending in front like that. Because why? Because pending, when the person subscribes, not subscribes, sign up, he or she will be pended first and then active. So we got to keep logic. Also, when he will be, no, he or she will be suspended, and it's not pending. So right. Oh, that's would be right to do. Yep. So we're going to do pending. Move to the next line. Pending. And now if we leave it like this, that will be disaster. So we need to write it down again. Так, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Comma, one more. Okay, so active. Suspended. Suspended. Banned. And deleted. Deleted. Okay. Um, we're going to have here not no default, like we did it here. Default, like we did it. Where is it? I forgot. Oh, I forgot. Status. Uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. So that's good actually. Not null default pending. Well, I didn't forget. It's just it wasn't. Now it's kind of needed to be pending. Pending. Uh, it's just when persons say, "No, well, okay, let's do this way right now." Okay, so we did all of it. Pending, active, suspended, banned, deleted. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, not default, not null, default pending. Not null, default pending. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so we modified it. Let's renew this. So now we see status, and it tells us what we have here now. Pending, active, suspended, banned, deleted. So we can uncomment it, and we see uh, avatar URL, avatar URL. So we uncomment it. We see about me. We uncomment it. We see date of birth. Uncomment it. And we see notes. Uncomment it. Cool. Okay. So it's all good. Now we can go further. Actually, let me do this. Tables. What? What? Okay. Show tables, please. Users. Okay, so we have it here. Okay. Let's comment this. Why? I'm commenting this line, and this line gets uncommented. Describe users. Come on. Doesn't want to move, huh? Increment user pending. Yes. Current timestamps. No role. No, can it be null? Can it be null status? Email can be null. Password hash can be null. Created it and updated it can be null. Yeah, it looks very good so far for me. Okay, so we're done with this uh, file. Let's go for mapper. We export here user role, user status, and user. So mapper. Oh, what? Import which model? From this level types, and we're going to export there user role, user status, and user. User, here we go. User role, user status, and user, of course. We're going to map them. Not megam, but map them. Yeah, that's already proposing to me map DB role to user. It's kind of complicated. Let's close it right now. I don't like the naming. It can be map user row. Simple. That's it. What was it proposed again? Map DB row to user. Map database row to user. Ох, ушки, ушки. Ой-ой-ой. Okay. Map user. Just simple row. With returning user, we accept row. I know that TypeScript doesn't like any. Do we need to have it in here? I'll think about it a little bit later. So going to return object. Let's close it. I don't like when he proposes something to me in the parts. That's right. Roll. Oh my. Okay. But it's pretty much knows what I meant. Yeah, it's all good. It's all here. Yeah. This is object. This is object. Okay, we're done with this. Now let's go to repository. We're going to import our database here. Import We're going up one step. Now we're going to DB. We're going to database. And it's going to be database. Now we're going to map it user from here. Input. It's on the same level. User. We don't need rows and status because it's already mapped. It's already here. User. And one more. It's like we collected them together right now. Import. User mapper. And what did we export from there? Map user row. Map user row. So it's going to be TS class, TypeScript class. And it's going to be a name to export. It wants to do async function, but we would prefer to use class object. We're going to use object class. Let's call it. Yeah. Let's call it user repository. It proposes get user by ID. It has it's by user ID. Okay. User by ID. It's number. Let's accept it right now. Let's accept it right now. We're going to close our class. Let's think about it. So, user ID by number. It's a number. It returns promise. Either user class or no. We're getting all rows from there. And that's going to be array. Database query. We're going to query database. We're going to select all users where ID question mark. Yes, yes, yes. And that question mark is user ID. So that's question mark. Oh, yeah. All right. Uh, okay, so if it doesn't, again, any. I don't like any. Well, it's array with type any. Let me think about it. Okay, I come to conclusion that I will do this. So um, we're getting query from the database. We're getting user rows as any. We're checking if it's length equals 0, then we didn't get nothing from the database, then we return null. And then when we have here checking for the type, so all rows will be available in user. Here is a mapper. Yeah, that's where we're checking there. If some row from database not here, like that's not available, right? It will throw the error. So that's we need to check for this error. So we're going to do this. Try catch return. If it catches error, we return null. And if interesting. I just noticed one thing. Okay, and if yeah, it's already error mapping user row error. Yes, give it to me, please. Let me think about one more thing I just noticed, which is very strange that I just noticed. I see, wait. No, it's here. Oh my goodness, I got scared. I think here. Okay, I was like, I don't see, I think. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so that's complete. One function complete. We'll do more functions and let's write them down. Which functions we want. Okay, I just noticed one thing. I using right now I am using right now HTTP instead of HTTPS. So let's I need HTTPS. Normally, companies using HTTPS, so I need to kind of imitate it. So let's try to do this. Okay, we're going for open SSL request. X509 key. RSA 496 1496 cat. What do I have here? Oh, okay. I need to go to index. It's express bootstrap. I need to get HTTPS. Actually, let's do this one a little bit later. Data, database details. Okay. HTTPS import. HTTPS. So I have it. Okay, so don't need to install npm library. Here is HTTPS. I don't know why like when I do this import, right, it proposed me JavaScript way of importing files. Why not proposing me TypeScript importing files way? That is the question. Okay. Apparently I need a fs, just a fs. And again, same stuff as fs. And I also have it already, which is good. Okay, that's it. Then we do express. Then we do port. Then async functions. Let's start server. Okay, try catch. Connection, right? Database connect, release. Then we listen to the port, which is not going to be anymore. Let's now install No, it doesn't have it. Okay, fine. Open SSL. Let's acquire rec x 59 new key RSA 1496 key out key pen out cert pen. How many days? 365. Then we can renew, and that would be nodes. That would be nodes. Open SSL rec x509 new key RSA 1496 key out key pem out cert pem days 365, and it's going to be nodes. Okay, I expect it will breaks. Hopefully it will not. Okay. Is not recognized as a name. Interesting. Okay, I'll run it in git bash. Git bash. Okay. I will go through the folders, I'll come back. I need to change folders here in git bash. It will take a little bit time. I'll come back. Okay, so I generated the key. These ones. No. So connection release. Replace connection release. Assert. Why don't you assert? Interesting. Okay, I actually created them. Here they are. We're going to ignore them. Git ignore. Does it propose to me? Does it tell for me to ignore them or not? Interesting to know. Okay. Ignore HTTPS certificates. Yeah. Except they are actually on the top. They are actually on the top. One is cert. Why does it see them? Pen and key pen. Okay. so I don't forget it. Now user repository, no, index. Index, we need to finish it. We need to finish it. So we don't need app listen. That's outdated now. We need const options or HTTPS options. That seems right. Okay, create server. HTTP options, please import arrow function. Server is running on port, so much port. Okay, seems good to me. CL asset. Now npm run dev. See if it breaks. No, it's okay. It's good. It's running on port 3001. Okay, I think it's good for this video. Next video, we're going to use this file to create more queries from the database. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.